Khalil from Canada.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Assalamu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, I have a question about the Sahabah series on YouTube where they show like these random characters and they show the Sahabah and they tell a story about the Sahabah. I was wondering if that's allowed or not. When the Prophet ﷺ comes in, they make a light from his face.
It is not permissible, akhi, to depict the Prophet ﷺ as light or as a drawing, as a normal person, nor to depict the companions, may Allah be pleased with them. And these are the fatwas from the fiqh councils all over the Muslim world. And only few renegades said that this is fine, which is totally not fine and wrong. So the vast majority of scholars prohibit this and say it's haram and it's degrading and disrespectful to the prophets and to their companions.